number first. Here, first we define sequence given that Sn is equal to 1. Okay, and other element is defined by this relation. So S2 is equal to root S1 plus 1, which is equal to root. We have given a value of S1, so we write it as 1 plus 1, okay, which is equal to root 2, okay, and root 2 is equal to 1.414, okay. And similar way we find S3, S4, and this S4, S5, S6, okay. Hence we can see easily that Sn plus n minus 1 less than Sn, okay, because 1 is less than root 2, is less than 1.55, is less than 1.59, so on, okay. Let us prove by induction that it is a monotonically increasing sequence. Now we take Sn minus 1 is we prove this by induction method, okay. By induction method, first we prove for n is equal to 1, then we let this relation is true for n is equal to k, then we finally prove for n is equal to k plus 1. So by mathematical induction method, this given relation is true for all n belongs to natural number, okay. So here we see that S1 is already is less than S2, okay. Now we take Sn minus 1 is less than Sn, okay. Add 1 in both sides, we get 1 plus Sn minus 1 less than 1 plus Sn, okay. Take root both side, we get root 1 plus Sn minus 1 less than root 1 plus Sn. Now by this given relation, we write it as root 1 plus Sn minus 1 is equal to Sn, okay, and root 1 plus Sn is equal to Sn plus 1, okay. So this result is hold also for n, okay. So by the mathematical induction method, this is true for all n belongs to natural number, and this is the definition of monotonically increasing sequence, okay. Now for boundedness, let us assume that this given sequence is bounded by 3, okay, that is Sn is less than 3. We also prove boundedness by induction method, because we see that S1 which is already less than 3, okay. By then k is equal to n, we assume that Sn is less than 3, okay. Now by mathematical induction, we prove that Sn plus 1 is also less than 3, okay. So in this relation, we add 1 in both sides, we get Sn plus 1 less than 3 plus 1, and take root both sides, we get root Sn plus 1 is less than root 3 plus 1, which is equal to root 4 is equal to 2, okay. And this value is equal to Sn plus 1, okay. So by mathematical induction, this relation is true for all n belongs to natural number, okay. So finally this is bounded sequence, and also a monotonically increasing sequence. So this is convergent sequence. Okay, and we know that convergent sequence has a unique limit point. Okay, so limit Sn is equal to, we let limit Sn is equal to S, which is limit of convergent sequence. Okay, then in this relation we take limit n tending to infinity in both sides. We get limit Sn plus 1, limit n tending to infinity Sn plus 1 is equal to limit n tending to infinity root Sn plus 1. Okay, but we have limit Sn is equal to S, so we get S is equal to root S plus 1. Okay, now square both sides, we get S square is equal to S plus 1, which implies that S square minus S minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is quadratic equation which have two roots. Okay, first is S is equal to 1 minus root 5 by 2, and second is 1 plus root 5 by 2. But we know that limit of convergent sequence is unique. Okay, and also we see that all the elements are greater than 0, so we consider only positive part. Okay, so limit of S is equal to 1 plus root 5 by 2. Okay,